back again. This time, now, my box is going to be above my line of vision. So if my line of vision is this is my horizon line, and I do this over here, that box is going to be above my horizon line. So I'm going to establish my horizon line now here. And because I'm seeing it this way, with this side, it's going to, my vanishing point is going to be on my left side, okay? So I see it as a square, so I'm going to start with my base, my foundation, which is going to be somewhere above my horizon line, okay? So I know it to be kind of a square, so we're going to do the ground line. And I've decided about 8 inches because I can't do any higher than that. So I've done my ground line. Now I need to get this angle, the side angle, to see where my vanishing point is. And once again, I'm going to do this and then come down to where it indicates. I'm transporting that angle. So I go vertical here, and then I go like a clock, and it's going to tell me, do it again. I'm going to do this, and then with my free hand, because I'm right-handed, I'm going to now establish my vanishing point. With the pencil, I've drawn it. Now I'm going to follow it up. That's my new vanishing point. So now I have that, and all I have to do now is bring this point to that vanishing point. And I'll have established my floor or foundation. Okay? Now, the guesstimate. The part where I guess the depth of that box. And it has to be parallel to the front one. So I'm doing this. And what looks more or less good, I will do that. Connect it. There it is, okay? So now I'm going to do my front face, and I can measure up to where I'm going to, I put a little notch there, I put a little notch there, where I make sure it's proper. Okay, so now I am going to follow up with that. Make sure this is good. I'm almost at the top of my paper, which I don't like to do. And this is interfering, so I'm going to move that. Remember, I'm doing my vertical front plane that's parallel to me. Oops. Sometimes the ruler moves, and I need to not allow it to move. You don't want to block your line of vision. So now I have my base, which I will also try to erase so that it doesn't confuse you. Okay, I have my foundation. Now I'm going to do the top of my front plane, just connecting those points. This is fairly simple. Just have to remember. Now I have an L-shaped form, base or foundation, and front plane. Now all I have to do is take the other corners, those two corners, back to my vanishing point. Do my outer one first. Make sure it's on my vanishing point. Make sure it goes exactly to my vanishing point. I might have to move this, my clip. Okay, now I have most of it. Now I just connect this to this and connect my inner angle to this part. So let's try that. There. And we will try there. Now most of this is guesstimate. So get rid of all these that will confuse you and confuse me. Now I can erase some of my internal construction lines. Okay, I can get rid of this. When there are too many lines, even I get confused after doing this so many times. Okay, get rid of this. We don't need this. We don't need any of this. And I'm just going to outline now my real shape. So front, base, to my vanishing point. Now I have my foundation or base, the bottom, the floor. Now I'm going up, connecting. Remember, I always do the foundation of the floor first, so I can construct like an architect on top of that. There is the shape of my box from from above the horizon line, because it is above my line of vision. There it is. Now you have different shapes, the rectangle from below going to my horizon line, because I was seeing it from above. So angles that go down mean that they are above your horizon line, above your line of sight, above your eyes. Lines that go up means the horizon line or your eyes are above what you're seeing. So we have this, we have those three shapes. Below, half above, half below, and one totally above the horizon line. Okay.